Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI website called Bluehost. So Bluehost is a hosting provider. That means it helps you put your website on internet. Think of it as a renting space for your website. You can create your website and Bluehost store it for you. They offer a hosting service as anyone can see your site online, and also they offer different hosting plan, so you can choose one of that fits your need. It also offer the special WordPress hosting. So talking about the key features about this platform, they offer a wide range of features. So Bluehost has some cool things that can make it stand out. This They make building and running a website easier, and here are some of the best features on this platform. One of these features is a website migration and builder. It also come with a WordPress integration together with an effective plugins to choose, and also a free SSL and automatic backup together with a free performance calculator. I'm talking about the pricing plan. They have a basic plan, they have a choice plan, and they also have a work commerce plan together with a pro plan. So if you want more information about each of these plan, you can just get back to the website using the video link in the video, so that you can get access to this link and has checked the price plan for each plan of your choice to see which one can work better for your need. So talking about the pricing plan, before you decide, it is wise to weigh the good side and the bad side. So here we are going to we're going to take a quick look at the Bluehost strength and the weakness. So talking about the strength of this platform, it is easy WordPress installation. It offers a free SSL certificate together with it also provide a reliable customer support. Now talking about the downside, the renewal price are higher and some features cost extra money, and customer support response times vary, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website, and don't forget to use the link in the video to access the website and check the pricing plan to determine which of the plan is best for your website. Thanks.